Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 volume control is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. First of all, check check the volume mixer here and see if it is helping. If that doesn't help, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select sound, go to the active output option, scroll down and disable audio enhancements. Now, if that doesn't help either, then straight away go to system once again, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter and then go to Windows Update and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.